Hi, today's plan is to check out if I can use my existing meter, which is an Eastron Smart Meter X835, and I want to see if I can read out that meter so that I can save the money for buying a SDM120. The problem with that meter is that there is no documentation on the internet to find. That's why I have googled and found another product with the same name, different company, so probably just a rebranded product, and they have some documentation about the registers for the Modbus, and that's what we are going to try out. We will take our prototype, connect with the smart meter in my main distribution for the resort, and then see if we will be successful or not. So please come with me. Hi, today I'm here at our main distribution, and you can see I have here another Eastron product. It's a smart meter, the X35. It's a 3-phase meter which we have here at our resort, and what I wanted to know is if I can read out this one also by Modbus, because that would save me actually SMD120 to buy. And just to look inside here, we have our 3 phases coming in from the transformer. That's the big cables, and here is the current transformers which are used by the meter here, and here is the Modbus connection, the channel A and B, and with the small wire I'm just going into still in my prototype, but this time this is the last time I use the prototype here. Next time we will put it on a nice board. Yeah, but as you can see, actually it is showing now minus 2500. Minus means we are exporting to the grid, and this is the same thing as it is here. Phase 3. Phase 3 is the phase which is the interesting for us, because it has a big solar array which we are going to use for charging our battery. So what I had to do was actually not very simple, because there is no documentation about this meter from Eastron. So I was searching the internet and I found a Smart Rail X835 meter. So there's some company in the UK which is using probably the same Eastron meters and just rebranded it, and for that one I found the protocol. Here under the hexadecimal address 10, here hexadecimal 10 is the phase 3 power, and that is what we want to know in my case. You might be interested in different. There is phase 1 is 0 Charlie. That's the same like the SMD120 address. Then phase 2 0 Echo, and the 10 is the hexadecimal address for the phase number 3. Yeah, it was a lucky move. So now I can save $30, and I will just use the existing smart meter for reading out my power. One is what I have in my main panel already. You can see Eastron Smart Connect X835. It is a panel meter, and I have it because we have the utility meter, but the utility doesn't give us any kind of access to the smart meters here in Thailand. The only thing I get from my utility is the monthly bill, and that was it. That's why I installed my own meter, my own smart meter, just to know about my export and import and all this stuff. And you can see it's a fairly inexpensive meter as well, just $55 on AliExpress. And this is what I found. There's a company in the UK which is called Smart Process, and they are selling the SmartRail X835. It is a different form factor. This is a DIN meter, but you can see from Eastron, this is exactly the same like the Eastron SDM630. Probably this is just rebranded. And the good thing on this one is that here in the documentation there is all the Modbus input registers here, and this is of course what we were looking for. And in my case I want to know the phase 3 power, and if you just look right here, let me try to zoom in. We have the phase 1 power, and this is the hexadecimal address 0C. This is the same we have on the SDM120 for the phase 1. And then phase 2 is 0 echo, and the phase 3 is 10. So that is what we need to know, and we will change in our software to read on that register, so I can directly read out my smart meter, and I don't need to buy an extra SMD120. So that was it for today. You can see we have many different products from Eastron which all come with Modbus, and we can use it for bi-directional readout, and it doesn't matter if you have the SMD120, the SDM630, whatever it is, the smart meter, whatever you buy, you can find a way how to read them out and use it for your project. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you didn't yet. You can find all the documents linked below, and please watch the next time again. Thank you.